special guests with different passion from Telkom University. Here is Nafila.
Hello everyone.
And then here is Keiza.
Hi.
And the last is Nanda.
Hello everybody.
Okay, hello all. How have you been today?
I'm doing well. I'm so happy to be invited to this podcast.
Either I am so excited to talk about our passion.
Exactly, I'm ready to share about my work.
Okay, first of all, as we know, many people are confused about the difference between hobbies, interests, and talents, right? Let me ask you guys, in your opinion, what's the difference between three of them?
From my perspective, a hobby is something like we like to do in our free time, then interest is more like a deep interest than hobby, while talents is a natural ability that we can develop.
In my opinion, a hobby is an activity that's often done because it's fun. Meanwhile, an interest is like we take an interest in something more specific, whereas talent is an ability that a person has.
For me, initially I like writing my daily in a diary. Then I realized that I had a talent for writing after an internship and asked to create a content writing. And I interest is a motivation to learn deeply, while talent can be immersed through practice.
Wow, that's so interesting. So, hobbies can develop into interest, and interest can open up potential talents. And turns out it's also possible that three of that aren't related to each other. Well, that it, guys. It turns out that each other person perspective on hobbies, interest, and talent is so unique and different.
Yep. Officially, it can be seen equally.
That's right. Well, if that's so, now I wanna know, how did you guys first discover your all hobby?
At first, I was just looking for something to watch when I was bored or while eating, but then I found podcasts. So there, I started exploring various podcast genre, like from education ones to fun ones.
So your hobbies start from there. Okay. So next, then how about yours, Keiza? How did yours start?
Mine was because I initially had no activities at the time, so I like to find out about many things via internet, and because just reading without doing nothing was quite boring, so I started listening to music. So my hobby was from surfing on social media and chorus platform while listening to music.
Wow, such a highly beneficial hobby. Then what about you, Nanda? Are you same as Nafila and Keiza, or you have a different hobby?
Of course, I'm different. My hobby is making a content because it can open up business opportunities in the endorsement world. So it's killing two birds with one stone. I feel my free time yet earning money.
Oh, you guys are so cool. So from a small things, you guys can find your respective passion. That's marvelous.
I also think it's such a good coincidence.
Well, there are many people have hobbies, but not all of theirs can become serious interests. So I have a question for you girls. How did you know that your interest is worth to pursue further?
I realized when I cannot stop myself from keep me updated about the outside world to social media, and moreover, I do love exploring about space, which apparently I found it's getting difficult to let go of it. So I decided to learn more about space since that moment.
Oh, I see. So your hobbies and interests are mutually sustainable in it?
Yep, for me it's just a coincidence that my hobbies are related to my interests.
Okay. So what about you, Nanda? I'm getting more and more curious about listening. after listening to Keiza's story?
My interest is in digital marketing field because it's related to market products online. This is worth to go further if we feel happy and enthusiastic when doing it, especially if we have desire to continue learning, developing, and pursuing it as job.
So unbelievable. You're solid me up, Nanda. Okay. Since we all already know your hobbies and interests, then what about you guys' talents? Are the talents actually relate to your hobbies and interests?
My talent is the same as my hobby. I make an endorsement or advertising content.
Oh, you might become a rich young girl, you know. So messy. So, what about you, Nabila?
Mine is actually more about graphic design because since I was a kid, I like drawing and playing with colors. But what unique is that my talent is really related to my other interests. So I can say that my hobbies, interests, and talent are different in everyone.
Absolutely uncommon. Now it's Keiza turn. Can you telling us about your talents too?
Mine also not relate to my hobbies and interests too. By the way, my talent is writing.
Oh, so you're good at writing like Nafila. If I might ask, what field do you write in?
Since I have developed my talent, I now also
Mm,
I now also read on one of the online platforms, and my field is writing stories like novellas.
so you guys' talents are so dope. I'm so jealous of you all. After all, how do you know if your hobbies, interests, and talents are worth to keep and pursuing further?
As far as I'm concerned, if you can enjoy the process even though when it is out, maybe it's a sign that your hobbies, interests, and talents are worth to keep and pursuing further. Like I really like to looking about space, also like to reading stories, so it's fun for me even though it often keeps me up until late.
So your opinion, it means feeling pleasure in the process and the desire to grow in it.
You get.
As for me, I do really like looking for new business opportunity ideas. So, in my opinion, hobbies, interests, and talents, I work to keep staying motivated and consistently looking for promising opportunities and getting positive appreciation from other people. So that's a sense that we are diligent and have values that are worth pursuing for.
What about Nafila?
In my view, because my talent and interests are not related, I focus more on what I am truly interested in. For an example, I like graphic design because I like drawing since I was a kid, but my interest is more in other things, such as writing. So, in my deep opinion, the important things is to keep exploring and don't be afraid to try.
That means the key is practice, consistency, and the courage to try, right?
Yeah.
So on. For podcast listener who are still confused about their passion, do you guys have any tips?
Don't expect to start from small things. Sometimes what we do without realize it can become our greatest passion. Sometimes we don't know that we have talent, interest, and hobby in something until we try it.
In my honest opinion, just try to explore many things. You better listen to deep into yourself, like what makes you feel happy and alive. That could be your passion. The sure thing is, don't be afraid of failure, because from there we can find out what our talents and interests are.
If you found something interesting, keep at keep learning. Passion without effort is nothing. Don't stop now, peeps.
I couldn't agree more. Look, it turns out that our passion can start from something small and survival.
That's true.
Time flies so fast, right? Since our conversation was really fun, that time flies by without recognizing. Okay, guys, in this episode, thank you to Nanda, Nafila, and Keiza for sharing their inspiring stories. Hopefully, this can be a motivation for our audience who are still looking for their passion. Don't forget to follow Patient Talks and see you in the next episode. Thank you and see
See
you.
you.
See
See
you.
you.